In August I love gardening because it's starting to warm up and everything's starting to kick on. It's a great time of the year to start planting. Here's what to do in August in Queensland. In August in Queensland I like to plant azaleas and camellias. They're very abundant with flowers. We've got lots of different sizes and shapes of camellias in our store and different coloured flowers. There is that many different varieties of azaleas now, and some are sun tolerant and some are shade tolerant. If you don't know what you're doing and you come in and talk to one of the Bunnings experts, they'll be able to guide you with the right plant for the right area that you've got to use. In terms of natives, I'd be putting in Banksias and Grevilleas about this time of year. They love getting going in August. In terms of edibles, I'd probably be putting in eggplants, capsicum, beans, pumpkins and cucumber seeds. In August in Queensland there's some great things to pick. You've got your bananas, your snow peas, your asparagus and your leeks. When it's August in Queensland and it gets a little bit warmer towards the end of the month, it's great to prune your hibiscus back, give them a good hard prune, then continue to remove any spent flowers and deadhead any winter flowering plants and perennials. It's fertiliser time as well. Growth cycles have started, so your garden will benefit from additional nutrients. Especially feed citrus and natives, and use some seaweed solution to activate your lawn. If you don't know which ones to use, come into store and we will point you in the right direction. We all love composting, so get your bin up and going. It will come in handy over the coming months. And don't forget to keep an eye on your plants' water needs in the garden. It does get hot in Queensland. August is a great time to be in the garden. You get to see everything kicking on and going like the clappers. If you've got any questions, come and talk to us and we'll be able to guide you on what needs to be done. Click here for more gardening advice. Click here to go back to the website.